Take a look at my Phantom wallet. Over $7 million all built from launching meme coins. Not by luck, not by trading, just by using a strategy that works consistently. Stick around, I'll show you how I do it step by step. Now every single new person, when they come into meme coins, they immediately go into trading them. Now that's exactly how they get you. Because I used to be a meme coin trader and I lost all my money to these stupid fucking rug pulls. I would buy in and then I would get completely dumped on a coin. Now I'm pretty sure, bro, this entire scenario happened to some of you guys. It's completely normal to all these coins. Basically, you would buy in and then the dev would dump his entire supply on your fucking head. Now bro, the real money in 2025 is to start creating your own projects. Now if I go on any other coin, you guys will see that it's frequent. On every single coin, bro, it will happen the same exact thing. It will go to zero. Now the people who are actually making thousands of dollars are the dev. Like I said, bro, you have to become a dev and you have to stop trading. You cannot lose anything from being a dev because creating coins is completely free on the blockchain. You're simply creating, waiting, dumping, and then repeating this process over and over again. That's how I turn $0 into 1k, and then I just do this over and over again, bro. Keep watching. I will show you guys exactly how to dev your own meme coins and make potential bread. Even though the market is kinda down, bro, it still works. You guys will see. Now obviously, bro, it's really obvious this entire video is made with AI and it's all strictly for educational purposes only. This is not financial advice. It's all fake. Cap! Now here's why most devs fail. When they want to make a meme coin, bro, they go directly to Pump.Fun. Now that's the first ever problem for beginner devs. They think Pump.Fun is where the money happens. Now Pump.Fun is overcrowded, which means it won't make you any money. Thousands of new coins drop every single day and most coins never even see the day of light. That's because it's overcrowded and oversaturated, like I said. Now your coin has to reach a $85,000 market cap for it to even bond onto the Radium Dex, bro, and to reach tens and thousands of potential traders. That's fucking impossible because it's just Pump.Fun. You don't control your own liquidity and it's just bad. That's why I launch my coins on this new launchpad. Well, it's not new, it's kind of old, but it's really good, and that's create token.io. This is the best launchpad. Your coin launches directly to Radium, which will be immediately fucking migrated and viewed to a bunch of fucking traders, and it becomes tradable the moment it goes live. You get more visibility, more volume, and full control over your liquidity from start to finish. It's simply the better option. Now let me show you how to make an official coin on this platform. You have two different ways, bro, and the first method is to create from scratch. So name, symbol, and fucking logo. So first of all, make sure you find a good narrative. Go on X, go on Instagram, go on social media and look for something trending. For example, the crypto market has been crashing. Donald Trump, okay, did meet Ronaldo. There's a bunch of different narratives that you can make coins upon, bro, and it's up to you to just choose one and, you know, just try it out. So once you have a good narrative, come back to create token.io, invent a quick name, add a quick symbol, then add a quick image by screenshotting your narrative, and just like that, bro, your coin is custom created after these steps. But the second method, bro, you have to trust me to this point, it's the fucking best one and is my personal go-to when I want to make some quick cash, and that's by copying trending coins consistently. Now when you copy all these coins here, bro, basically you are copying coins that are already working and already fucking getting traction on Pump.Fun. So all these coins are proven to get buyers. You get instant traffic, instant buyers, and much better profit potential because the attention is already built into these coins. Both methods work, but the copy trending coins tab moves the fucking fastest. Okay, let's fucking run it. I'm going to launch a coin right now so you can see how fast it goes from nothing to fully live on chain. So first of all, make sure your Phantom Wallet is connected to the website, then click on refresh list, and let's look for a coin to copy. I'm gonna go for something decent. In general, all of these coins will work, but I'm going to copy the Cardex coin. It has a last buy 3 seconds ago and 400 replies. Now, click on create coin. Then ignore the block from Phantom, right? Click on proceed anyways, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin should be created in a couple seconds, bro. Let's fucking go, boom. And before we create the liquidity pool, let me go on SoScan to check if it's live. Yes sir, bro, it's on chain, everything works. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool for our coin. Now this part is easy. We add liquidity, and the moment it confirms, your token becomes tradable instantly on Radium for anyone who wants to jump in, bro. This is a page that Pump.Fun doesn't give you guys the option to create, right? Now, for the amount token A, just tap the 90% button right here. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens. Right under for the amount token B, think of it as your first entry on your own chart. You are not spending any SOL, it's just being locked to open the liquidity pool. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and once you pull out the liquidity later, that same SOL will come right back to you inside your wallet, bro, so we have nothing to lose. I'm gonna put 0.35 Solana, just a bit more than the minimum just to be safe, then click on create pool, and after that click on confirm. When that is done, click on the refresh button down below right here, scroll down, and boom, the Cardex coin is on live. Our profits and P&L are right here, and obviously bro, if you click on the refresh button right here, now we are up $135 because people are now buying our coin on chain, and that's the beauty of deving and copying coins. Now we're getting buyers, but we're getting traction. Click on view on Photon or your desired trading platform to check the chart out. Let me go on full screen for a better view of our coin. Come on, bro. Now it's fucking live, bro. We're already up a couple $100. It's all fucking green, bro. That's because the coin is brand new and we're getting a shit ton of traction, bro. I love deving coins on create token.Io, all because of this, bro. Look at this, it's all green. We're all fucking, it's pumping so much, bro. What the fuck is happening? 2k market cap, 1.2k liquidity. I think we're up around 500 to $1,000. Oh my god, $70 right here, bro. The fees are actually insane. We're getting a shit ton of buyers. Everything is looking good, bro. By the way, guys, do not be emotional about anything because we created this coin for literally $0, and now we're getting all this organic traffic. OMG. Come on, bro, pump. Oh my god, guys, if you have any questions about this, bro, it's actually insane. You can just DM me on Twitter at j.crypto or gpflips. Let's fucking go. Come on, $80 right here. That's fucking insane. Come on, pump. 2k market cap, 1.2k liquidity, bro. Things are looking actually fucking insane. Come on. $15, $80, sell. Oh, that's bad. Okay, guys, I'm gonna give this coin a bit of time for the pump, and I will be right back. Okay guys, I am back and we are pushing $4,000 in market cap. Everything looks good, right? The liquidity looks good, the market cap looks good, and the coin is shooting to the fucking stars. Dude, look, it's all green. 60, 40, 60, 60, 60, 40. Bro, it's actually fucking insane. This coin is fucking going diabolical. Anyways, let's make some money. Come back to create token.Io. Then obviously click on the refresh button on the right hand side. And now as you guys can see, we're up $1,500, which is like around 12 SOL. Click on the minus button. Let me just see. Okay, it's still up. Do 100%. Click on remove money. Come on, wait a second. And now as you guys can see, we're going to receive around 12.1 Solana. Click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you launch a meme coin and then make some money, bro. Now, if I open my Phantom wallet to see how much we made on the dot, you guys can see that we just made $1,52,000, bro, in fees and by dumping the coin. That's actually fucking insane. If you have any questions about anything, bro, because this method is actually insane, well, DM me at jp.flips or j.crypto on Twitter, bro. I respond to everyone. And if you want to win 3 SOL like this guy right here, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe, bro. And join my Discord and Telegram down below. And yeah, bro, good luck.